how to make slow zoom in Capcut on Mac. So find your project and your clip where you want to add slow zoom, and there are two ways how you can do it. The first way, go to the start of the clip, click the clip, and we want to find the scale and add a keyframe here. And now move to the end of the clip and add the keyframe again, but also scale to the right. So set it like you want. The lower difference between these two numbers, the slower zoom. And now make sure to move this keyframe to the right. And the slow zoom will look like this. If I click the clip and start it, as you can see here, is scaling in. So it's zooming in. Also, if you want to speed it up a little, you can adjust it to the right or to the left if you want to slow it down. So that was the first way, using keyframes. If you want to do it without using keyframes, go to Effects and search for Zoom. And I like this zoom lens, and grab it and move it to the clip. Adjust it to the start and to the end. Make sure to click this effect and speed it down, and you can play it and customize it. This is pretty fast, so lower it down, and it's zooming in pretty slow. So that's how you can do it. You don't have to use keyframes, you can use this effect. It's up to you. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.